we have to use all the code within the table tag. So I have to write this table tag just after form tag. Okay, and these are within the TRTD. Means you use the username. You use username 2 times. Okay, now
Oh, okay.
that's why it's coming 2 times. I'm just removing this and putting here. But TR should be closed after TD. Means
Um,
within the TR, there could be TDs. Okay,
yeah.
and create one more TD. Yeah, TD. You have to use this input box within that TD. In this TD. Now let's see what is our code. We just use one table tag. Okay. After table tag, we use one TR. TR stands for table row. Okay. This TR. Within this TR, we use one TD for just printing a message. Means username is coming. Second TD for our input text, and third just yeah, this is the code. We just end the first row. Okay. Now let's see
Mm-hmm.
the result. Now it is coming username in formatted way. Same as for password. Maybe password you use this correct, but you use another table. This is the table. Table tag should come only once. Okay, you have to remove
Oh,
this, and table tag after all the TRs you have to end the table tag. Okay, table tag.
okay.
You just end a table tag. If you want to set in the center, give here align center, align center. Okay. Now one more tr for password. Yeah, I'm just giving the spaces and for well formatted, nothing else. You can use in the single line also. I'm just using the this break line or the enters. Why? It is readable format. Now second tr is terminated, means ended. This is our third tr, means third table row. We use first td column blank, that's why it is coming blank. Second td column with a submit button, and third.
So you mean to say that before each, I think we have to use TR and we have to close that TR also every time?
Yeah, if you are using tr, then you have to close this tr here. Means this just show you the one row. Means if you didn't close this tr, or
Mm-hmm.
you didn't close this tr, then let me show you. Okay, one second. First I show you now the output, the correct output. Yeah, it is correct output. Now
Yes.
if you didn't if you didn't just close this tr, okay, you save the
Mm-hmm.
file. Yeah, in this it automatically assume because you started one more. If you didn't close and didn't start it also, this one, then it will come in the single tr. Let me show you. In the second tr there is a 4 column. Okay,
Okay.
Mean just remember, if your requirement is over, so just close the TR. This is our firstly just create a table tag. This is a table tag within the table tag, means there is the end of table tag. Within the table tag, all the table coding will appear. Okay. After table tag,
Okay.
there is a TR tag. TR tag, within the TR tag, all the TD will be. TD should be in TR tag only. Okay, not outside any TR tag. Every TD should be within the TD tag. TR, sorry, every TD should be within a TR tag. Means this is table row. Table data should be within table row. Okay,
Okay.
so this is your file. Now, what you have done in this is your file. You just use Kushi and the password and password. Click on register. You will get Kushi and the password, whatever I have entered. Why? Because you just echo after submitting, means with this if. With this if is set, yeah, a form is set it or register button has been clicked. This is the name of a register button, okay?
Okay.
So you just done the echo, nothing else. That's why it is coming echo. Now Kushi, you have to complete your task in tomorrow session. Before tomorrow session, what you have to do? You have to create one new table. Just name that table user like this. A user table like this. Okay?
Okay.
Which have in currently what I have only four columns. You have to just insert five columns. I've just sent you the code of four columns, means in PHP code. Yeah, how you add one more? Okay, if you are creating new file, then just use new table. If you are creating new table, one second, go to your database. If you creating new table, just give any name and column number. Means you will have
Five.
five. This five.
You
Okay,
need
five or
four
six.
or five.
Six for what? Six for what? The ID also you have to use the ID also. ID, name, email, password. Okay,
ID,
five,
email, password, and
and one
mobile
mobile
number.
number. Okay, you just create
Yeah.
five.
So five, right?
Yeah, five column table, new table. Just give the name user. You can give any other name also.
Okay.
Column name should be name, ID, name, email, password, and mobile number. And code, we already see the code for four columns. Let me just show you. Yeah, here is your code for four columns. I already sent you the code, total code. Okay,
Okay.
four columns, name, email, password, and it will be inserted by using this query. Okay, Kushi.
Okay.
So you have to complete the task. First you have to insert, then you have to just make validation. Do you know what is the validation, Kushi?
Mm, no.
What is validations?
But whatever information we did it is
means if we are submitting, we are just inserting data into database. You just should not enter or submit the blank values. We just validate our inputs for blank or particular values. Okay, we already
Okay.
see the validation or not, Kushi?
Mm,
Kushi, do you remember validations?
mm, mm.
PHP validations. Hello.
Yeah.
You use if username equals to blank or not. If blank, we are displaying a message echo, a message, simple message. Please enter username and the password. We already
Yeah.
done that.
Yeah. To
Yeah.
check the first name and last name is
Yeah, we first
equal.
check is blank or not, then only we will execute our main code. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have
Yes.
to do the validation also. First, just create this form for element. Five element means now for four elements. We are using three. I already sent this code. Okay, Kushi. In your
Okay.
yesterday session, just you have to increase one more column in the view page, one more variable here, one more column name here, one more value here, and you just create one table with five columns: id, name, email, and password. Okay, everything is the same, just you have to create one more row, just copy and paste it within the td. Just password, in place of password, just write the mobile number in your fourth row. Okay,
Okay.
do you understand what you have to do?
Yeah. First, whatever I did today, I had to do the same thing, and I had to
Yeah,
just add one
but
more column of five, and
yeah,
then I had to validate.
yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
yeah, you tried the work, but you are not able to run the. That's why maybe you stop here your task. Why you stop here, Kushi?
Yeah, because it was not viewing right. That's why.
Yeah, you are
I don't
getting
know what.
error. Yeah, just try to focus on some coding. Just means you didn't use the semicolon after within the if condition. Please don't use the semicolon. Okay, this kind of
Mm.
semicolon please don't use, and please just use some spaces. Space means you didn't use the space between like this. You did if you one second, if you didn't use space or
So after I have to if I want to validate the query, where I have to validate on the in the PHP.
yeah, after submitting
Okay.
the form with five values,
Mm-hmm.
just try to implement your validation code also into the same form.
In another page.
No, no,
Same
not
form.
in the same
Oh,
page. In the same page. In the same
okay.
page. Yeah, means this page. You can say right now we have four, means three columns: full name, email, and password. Just use one more mobile number and implement. Just if whenever any user clicked on register, it will go to database. After all is working fine, just use validation. Means right now, if I clicked on right now, let me show you what we have. These values. One second. What we have. Only two values into our table. Okay. One second. If I clicked blank, no record inserted. Why it is not inserted? Error. One second. Register password email, but it's not inserted. Email password, name email password. It is working or not? One second. Let me just fill up the values. Email and some password. Click on register. Error. There is error, but it is working. Register user name, email, password.
I think we have to echo $8 RA.
Echo, no. One second, let me echo the query. What is the query? Dollar query. It is the kind of debugging. See that? And I'm using one predefined function exit. Means it will just stop our execution. One second, Kushi.
Okay.
हेलो ऑफिस तू कब जाएगा तू नीचे खड़ा है मेरे को लगेगा आधा घंटा और हाँ हाँ बेबी खत्री अब मिलना मैं तेरे को तू मेरे को पलासिया पे अगर तू नहीं जाएगा पहुंचेगा तो घर फिर मेरे को लेके कौन जाएगा फिर मैं रूम पे भी जाके क्या करूंगा अ, चल मैं ट्राई चल मैं ट्राई करता हूँ और जल्दी निकलता हूँ 20 एक मिनट में निकलता हूँ हाँ हाँ ओ ओके खुशी are you there
Yes.
yeah let me just echo this what query is creating means register Khushi is correct any name any email and any password click this queries sorry copy password also varchar tag I use varchar so I have to use single quotes let me see one second okay we will get the error how we get the error using just go to your database copy the query whatever we echoed using the echo and the exit paste here oh let's paste let's copy something else let's copy again this query this is kind of debugging means we are not getting any error so we have to debug from sql will give us a error one row inserted means our query is correct but query is correct but there is problem in where is the problem query is correct one second let me run again One, this is register, an email, any password, and just click on register. Record inserted. Maybe there is any error. Means any symbol missing. Okay, so we have
Okay.
done this. So you have to, yeah, let's check record is inserted or not. So you have to, yeah, I got your another message, mail. Okay, let's browse. There should be four rows. Yeah, fourth one is this. Okay,
Okay.
now what we have, is there any confusion? I will just revise all the things, because if I just move ahead, you will get more confusion if you didn't understand this. Just Kusi, ask me whatever you want. You can ask me from this code, because you have to do task first. If you didn't do your task, didn't complete your task, means if you move ahead, you will forward all the things. You have to complete your task. Just ask me. Ask me any question why we use this if is said. If you have the confusion with this if is said, why we use all the code within this if, okay, why we use mysql underscore query and select db, you can ask me anything. Why we are getting back the table structure after just submitting data, means after inserting row we again get the same this table means these text boxes, full name, email and password. I just click, I got the message. Yeah, I got the message, but I get also this. Ask me why it is coming. Whatever be your confusion, you can ask me. You have to clear all the things first, all the basic things. Do you have any confusion, Kushi,
Mm.
in our code?
No.
You can see the code. This is our starting of our code. This is, what is this? This is the connection string, connecting to mysql. Okay, this is why,
Yeah.
this is for selecting db, connecting to db, particular db. Okay, this is why this is we use to just check our form is submitted or not. Sorry, why we check this condition, if condition, checking a form is submitted or not. Okay, these three all, one two three, these three line we are getting data. Which data? Whatever we send by the after submitting of the form using post method, capturing the data. These are the comments, it will not going to execute. Okay, these are the comments or not, Kushi?
Yeah.
What is this? This is a simple query. Simple query assigned to variable. Okay, what is
Okay.
this? MySQL underscore query. What is this? Just executing or firing the query. SQL query, MySQL. MySQL query. Okay, using MySQL underscore query, we use MySQL underscore query to just fire our SQL MySQL query. Okay, when what it returns either true or null, means our if our query is fired, in this case, in insert case, query is fired successfully, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So we are checking if it is written true, means our query fired successfully, or not, it is fired successfully. So we just echo record inserted successfully, means our query is fired. What is our query? Insert into, this is the table name. These are the columns. Columns means whatever the columns we want to insert data. Comma separated. Just keep in your mind within the tile symbol. These are the tile symbol with comma separated. Okay. Again tile symbol, comma. Again tile symbol, comma. And the value within the brackets. If we have the column as a varchar type, then we should use value in single quotes. These are the value in the single quote with comma, single quote with comma, single quote with comma. What is this? F name, email, and the password. These are these same variables. You have to use the same name. Just check, just cross check two times. Whenever you write, just cross check two times. What is this? This is the values of column. Where, from where we get the values? From here, F name. From where we get the value of f name? Using dollar post full name. Where is the full name? Where is the full name? Full name is the name of our text box, first text box. Yeah, yeah, it is correct. Within whatever the value within the text box, first text box, we should enter into the our first column. Yeah, our code. Now it is correct. Just cross check. Next thing. Email. Email is our second column name. Yes, email is our second column name. Let me show you. Yes, email is our second column name. So the second this text box value should be entered into our second column name or not? Yes. Now let's just debug our code. Debug means just check our code. Dollar email. What we are passing in value? Dollar email. Where is dollar email? Here is dollar email. Okay, dollar email, it is php type variable. Where we are get From where we are getting value of dollar name? Using this dollar underscore post email. What is this email? Email should be, we always pass within the single quote the name of tag input, html tag, input tag. Name email should be within our html tag. Let me show you. Yeah, this is email. Okay, so just cross check all the things. Password, we just catch the value of password using dollar underscore post assigned to dollar password, and we are just sending this dollar password after the, yeah, these are the combination of column and value. Column and value means if we have the column name, we should pass the value of name. Name means whatever we want to insert into name. What we want to insert into name? We want to insert name in, we want to insert the first value, first text box value. We get the first text box value using this, assigned to our name, and pass in the first position, nothing else. Simple code. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Khushi.
Okay.
Just ask me if you have any question. You can ask me.
No, and if I want to validate this, where I have to validate?
Yeah,
Beginning?
validation. Let's
Yes,
discuss
yes.
about the validation. One second. Now, when you validate, just tell me. When you validate the logic.
After insert all the
After submitting
information.
or after inserting? After submitting,
After
na?
submitting the form.
Yeah. Whenever you click on the register, you have to validate your text boxes. Okay.
Yes.
One second. Hello. What's this? Okay, let's see. After submitting means this is checking or not, is your form is submitted or not, this is checking. So you can use, you already get the value. If you get the blank, then it will assign the blank. Just check one simple condition. Which condition? If one another, if you have to use one another, if dollar f name is equals to blank. Okay, I'm just using only one condition. And you can use using and operator. Okay, I'm just using only one. If it is blank, then just show the message, please enter. How we show the message? Echo please enter user name, just name, this is the name, full name. Okay, otherwise means we have the name, so just execute our query, nothing else. One second, just I'm just using code here because you can understand that all the code within this else. Okay, now all the main code within this else or not, this else. Why? Because if the username is not equals to blank, means if condition is blank, so else is not equals to blank or not. So then only execute this code. Let me show you. Let me just show you. I just refreshed our code. If I didn't enter anything into full name, I didn't enter and click please enter name. Our first code is executed first if. So this else will not going to execute. Okay? Do you understand logic? Now it is
Mm,
validate or not, Khushi?
huh?
It is validated. So same as just use and please fill up the values. Simple way, not any complicated way. Okay, just use one another and or just check fname email dollar email is equals to blank or not. Okay, if it is blank, please enter name and email. So it will show you both. Simple code. There is nothing in our code. If now if I just click on this registered, please enter name and email, we are getting if I enter name and email, pass any password and click on register, yeah, record inserted successfully. So this is our simple form. There's no difficulty. Just tell me, is there any confusion? Just tell me. Kushi,
No.
one second. Please be online. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Kushi. Just tell me, can you do that with yourself, the task?
Yeah, I'll try to do myself.
Yeah. So we cannot move ahead without, if we move ahead, and you don't know about the previous code perfectly, then there is no advantage means there you will just forget all the things. You will not get the logics. Means in in our future our code will be more complicated. Okay, so you have to just understand all the things. Just try to understand the working, not just code. Just try to understand the working. Okay, Kushi, if you didn't understand even this function, what this if is said does, what is this for, you can ask me. Just ask me questions. Okay, Kushi,
Okay.
just try to implement with yourself. Just try to understand all the execution. Ask me if you didn't get, if you didn't get the flow also, you can ask me. Just try to yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, actually I have to go somewhere, and you have to do the task, both the things. We are just stopping our session here. Okay, Kushi,
Okay. Okay.
please do the task and ask me question.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, bye bye, Kushi. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye bye.